Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at one of the most exciting theme parks in the world. We are at Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. If you are a thrill seeker or a car enthusiast, you are in for a treat. Let's dive into what makes this place so special. First up, let's talk about ticket prices. In 2024, the ticket to Ferrari World will cost 380 AED for an adult and 295 AED for a child. If you're buying online, you can save up to 10% and you can get an adult ticket at AED 345. Similarly, if you opt for a combo ticket which gives you access to multiple parks within Yas Island, you can get the tickets at a lower individual cost. Now let's talk about travel. If you are in Dubai and you just want to explore Abu Dhabi for a day, it is very easy. You can drive, which takes about 1.5 hours on the E11 highway. Alternatively, there are bus services like E100 that runs from Dubai to Abu Dhabi every day. It is an affordable option costing around 25 AED per person, and you can take these tickets using your Knoll card. The bus can drop you off at the Abu Dhabi Central Bus Station. From there, it is a quick taxi ride to the park. Now, I know you are all waiting to get to know about these rides because these are some incredible experiences that you don't want to miss. Let me start with the showstoppers. If you are in Ferrari World, these are the three rides that you should not miss: Formula Rossa, Flying Aces, and Turbo Track. Formula Rossa is the world's fastest roller coaster, reaching speeds up to 240 km per hour in just 4.9 seconds. The adrenaline rush is insane, and the gravitational forces you experience are unforgettable. Make sure to hold on tight and wear those safety goggles they provide. Obviously, you cannot carry your phones on Formula Rossa, so I don't have a video to show you how. You have to keep everything in a locker even before you enter the line or queue for Formula Rossa. Next, we have the Flying Aces. This coaster has the world's highest loop at a staggering 51 degrees. It is inspired by the legendary Italian aviator Francisco Baracca. The ride features sharp twists and turns, and the views of the park as you loop are simply stunning. For the most adrenaline packed experience, I would recommend you sit on the edges rather than sitting in the middle. Every row will have 4 seats, so if you sit on the left or right edge, you will have the experience of a lifetime. Last but not the least is Turbo Track. This ride features a vertical climb and a thrilling drop that simulates the experience of a Formula One pit stop. You will shoot up to 64 meters and then plummet back down, all while getting an incredible view of the park. It is a must try for anyone who loves high speed thrills. Now, Ferrari World has a lot to offer in terms of food. There are some delicious options, but always keep in mind and make sure you get to experience all the rides before your lunch because it can get pretty uncomfortable experiencing a ride after your lunch. And while you're here, don't forget to go around your favorite Ferraris and click some awesome pictures. You will also have an opportunity to shop for exclusive Ferrari merchandise. Ferrari World is open every day. On weekdays, it is open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on weekends, it is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can easily spend one day in Abu Dhabi experiencing all the rides, so make sure you keep your day vacant. So, there you have it. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is packed with thrilling rides and incredible experiences for all ages. Whether you're a fan of speed or just looking for a fun day out, this park has something for everyone.
For many people, owning a Ferrari is a dream, and it's at Maranello where these dreams are made real. At Ferrari, we have a proud racing tradition and a constant desire to innovate. But it's the extraordinary people who work here and their endless pursuit of perfection that make our cars like no other car in the world. Sharing the knowledge of the Formula One racing team and using the most sophisticated technology, the design department is where the dream starts. From initial sketches, the design is gradually perfected and then developed into a computerized 3D wireframe model. One of the most important aspects of the design of a Ferrari is the aerodynamics. So a scale model is made and tested in the wind tunnel in Maranello. Once everyone is happy with the design, the car goes into production. At the Maranello foundry, the metal alloys are heated to 800 degrees Celsius and poured into individual molds. The engine has more than 300 components and is put together mainly by hand at the Ferrari factory, where natural light, trees and plants help to create the perfect working environment. After the engine has been built in this environment, it's where the famous Ferrari roar is heard for the first time. Nearby, the car's body shell is being built. Ferrari has one of the most advanced body plants in the world, where the finest manual skills combine with sophisticated technology to produce the lines and shapes that make a Ferrari instantly recognizable. The body is made entirely out of aluminium, which is light and durable, and Ferrari's craftsmen really excel in body paneling, fitting, and adjustment of the parts. The completed body shell is sent to the paint department, where it's plunged into a series of 11 dip tanks and rotated 360 degrees to provide a series of tough protective layers. Then it's the turn of Ferrari's graceful robots, who paint the car in the customer's chosen color. The customer can choose from a range of proposed colors, or ask for any color he desires. And it's in the final assembly where everything comes together. The body, chassis and engine, the electrics, dashboard and windscreen. In this department, each car travels through about 50 specialized workstations in about 6 days, which combine cutting-edge technology with human skill and craftsmanship. And once the handcrafted interior is fitted and the wheel nuts are tightened, the car is ready to be tested. A great many extraordinary people are involved in the making of a Ferrari, from research and development right through the production process to putting the car through its paces on the test track. All of them proud to have played their part.
And that is the end of this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do drop a like, and if you have any questions regarding Ferrari World, drop them in the comments and I'll try my best to give you all the answers. Share this video with anybody who's planning a trip to Abu Dhabi, and do not forget to follow Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. Until then, bye.